Hi, Issa. Ready for your checkup?
Ready, Doc.
Financial checkup.
Oh.
First, let's check up on those goals. Okay, Issa, can you look here for me? Do you see those clearly?
Medyo blurry eh.
To reach your financial goals is to have a clear vision of your future, including your expenses, savings, and investments that you need to get there. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oops, that's not healthy.
Big debts can make your savings run out of breath. Take it easy. Let's see if your emergency fund can keep up with your unexpected expenses. All right, good job, Issa. Uh-oh, keep steady. All right, good job, girl. Having an emergency fund allows you to keep going. Start with saving up 3 months' worth of your monthly salary.
Tagal pa ba to, Doc?
Welcome to the Flex series, where we teach you ways to get financially fit. Watch the next episodes where we'll teach you a whole lot more on training like a pro.